This is the Patriot Power Sidekick, and it's gonna help me power all of this right here in the middle of nowhere. This little device right here is going to give me hours of the juice I need to work remotely. My laptop, monitor, phone, and even this paper shredder can run for hours. I just plug everything in and it comes right on. This lunchbox-sized solar generator only weighs about 8 pounds and has a 300-watt capacity. That means I can take the ability to power all of my favorite devices anywhere I go. But this mini generator is more than just light. It's powered by light. This portable charging station is solar powered, and each one comes with this foldable solar panel that you see right here. That means now you can skip carrying around external batteries and gas, because this generator never needs gas, ever. This mini solar generator can run some larger devices too, like your TV. And the Patriot Power Sidekick is dead silent. Some generators are really loud, especially the ones that use gas. That means when you use them, you're alerting everyone around you that you have power. Plus, you can't even hear yourself think. But this mini solar generator keeps the thought stealthy. And stealthy means it can come with you in the deer blind to run a fan or keep you occupied. It can even power your mini fridge, a true staple for all hunting trips. You should also know we sell out of our most popular products all of the time. Sometimes we even take months, even a full year to get to the point of stable inventory again. Why do we sell out so fast? Maybe it's because we offer free shipping and bonuses with all of our generators. Not to mention a full year money-back guarantee if your generator doesn't work exactly how you want it to. Click the link and see how this Sidekick is going to let you power your electric needs with solar power. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.